like 5:30. I'm still sick. Last night I made chicken. I think I'm gonna call it Parmesan herb crusted chicken. I think I'm gonna go take some medicine and then start dinner because the wife will be home soon. Just drying it because we're gonna add some oil. Just enough to like cover it. I just kind of made this last night and it was seriously so good. That's how all my recipes are born. Add basil. And I like a lot of herbs. That's pretty much what gives it all the flavor because there's really not a lot in here. I don't have any more Italian blend. So, oh, and then some oregano. This is some onion powder. And then Regina loves spicy food, so I always add some crushed red pepper to her stuff, especially chicken. It smells like pizza as soon as you put the spicy with the herbs. And then you just take your Parmesan cheese. I'm not even using like real Parmesan cheese. This is just the fake stuff in the can. You don't have to use this much oil. I just am because I don't know. I like to eat healthy, but I'm not really scared of unhealthy food. When I was plant-based vegan for like 6 months, I used to think oil was the devil. I like went crazy after I watched Forks Over Knives, Food Inc., and there was like another one. I got like terrified of food. It was awful. I tried to love it. I really did. I literally would eat like a huge salad bowl full, like that you would serve your family full of salad. I'd still be freaking hungry. It was miserable. It works for some people. Some people like us. Fruits and vegetables is not enough for me. I feel bad talking about that, like, while cooking chicken, but on that note, did everybody notice the name change, the channel name change? You know, I've wanted to do that for a really long time because I had my Instagram for years and then it turned into a blog because people started asking for recipes, and then Cook Nourish Repeat, the channel happened. But I've always wanted to vlog. I would watch other, you know, like stay-at-home wives, stay-at-home moms on YouTube, and I'd be like, oh, I want to make those videos, but with that title, I really can't. So I actually started another channel, but I had it for like a couple of days and then I deleted it because I was like, I already kind of have like a following with this. My oven's preheated now. I'm sticking my chicken in. Now I feel like I can pretty much like post all the videos that I want to, such as organizing, cleaning, recipes, even if I decide to like show you guys like my crafting. This is a lot better. I'm so happy to be doing what I'm doing with my channel now. I love being able to share my day and my memories and what I'm doing and stuff with my family and my friends. My family is all in Santa Cruz. Before I forget, I changed all of my social media to Renee Angelan as well. So, okay, I've got peppers and some onions. I'm gonna saute those. You know, I like cooking like this too. Bless you. Thank you. Because I'm not like doing a tutorial or anything, you know, anymore. So it's more like just me being able to cook, like, and no one can be like, you're doing that wrong. Like, no, I'm doing it the way I want to. Oh yeah, and if you notice I didn't put salt on the chicken, it's because the Parmesan cheese is salty. Wait until the onions are totally translucent and then I'm gonna add my garlic. I'm gonna hit it. A little basil and little oregano. And put my garlic in there. I'll pull these out of here. Start seeing some color on the garlic. Look at that. Oh, no. Right? I'm excited. Oh, yeah. It is so good. You definitely have to try this. I'm gonna go eat. I'm watching Fuller House. I'm rewatching it from the beginning again. And then I'm gonna clean up the kitchen.
5 a.m. and we are in trouble, but we don't really care. Tell ourselves there's always tomorrow, but it will still be there. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run, do it for fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night. 9 to 5, we're all on the hustle. We wanna get away. Another day of beg, steal and borrow, and that is safe to say. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. Hey. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run, do it for fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't want to do this anymore. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. Do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight.
I was gonna stop the vlog after I did the dishes and everything, but wifey wanted banana donuts. I got this recipe from my little sister. I have 2 brothers and 2 half-sisters who are Chamorro, and they live on Guam. She gave me this recipe and we love them. You're gonna need 3 super ripe bananas, and I'm gonna try to do this pretty fast because I don't have that much battery. And this recipe is so easy. I actually know this recipe by heart. Okay, and then you're gonna smash them up. I don't like them like totally smashed. I like some chunks of the banana to be in the donuts. Just like that. Oh, get a pot. Do vegetable oil, 3 cups, and start heating it on medium high. And then you're gonna put in a cup of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and 5 teaspoons of sugar. 3, 4, 5, I hope. And she didn't tell me to, but I add like a scant teaspoon of vanilla extract. And mix it all together. And then just grab like a big spoon. And it doesn't have to be pretty because they're not going to be like perfect little balls or anything, but just dunk them in the oil and just keep putting them in there. Do like 4 at a time. And these are only going to take about a minute or two on each side. They cook up really fast. Grab a plate, grab some paper towel, and take them out and lay them on the towel so it obviously soaks up the oil. Oh my god, they got a tiny bit burnt, this batch did. It's okay, I will still eat them. See, you gotta watch them. They cook fast. Here's another batch. Flip, flip. Do this in more oil, you guys, okay? Okay. See how quick that was? And they're totally done in the middle, don't worry. Three. I'm really scraping to get that fourth one. Four. This recipe yields exactly 12 donuts. Okay. And then another minute. Check that side. Perfect. And they're done. Now usually I would do powdered sugar, but I'm out. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some. I'm really going with some cinnamon right now. Oh yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's get one that we didn't just do because they're freaking hot. Oh, even these ones are hot, but I'll do this. Oh, see? Ooh. So good. They're like crispy on the outside. They're nice and fluffy on the inside. Well, thanks for hanging out with me tonight. I hope you enjoyed all these recipes. If you enjoyed watching me, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. You can visit all my social medias. Renee Angelan. Renee Angelan.
Angel Ann, not Angelin.
It's Angel Ann.
I'm just making it sure that you're clarifying it for your viewers.
I think I know my name.
I think I know.
Anyways, I'm on Facebook, Pinterest, Snapchat, Twitter, pretty much all of them under the same name, Renee Angelan. So, I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.